Welcome everyone to explore CSE. Today our topic will be linked list, okay, under data structure. So we are going to insert three node in linked list, basically singly linked list and traverse. Okay, so this is the first basic task we will be doing today. Insert three node in linked list and traverse. Traverse means basically we will print those three node. Okay, so again, before starting the code, little bit critical part uh, I will cover. So linked list is a linear data structure. Okay, so linear data structure means the data will be inserted in a sequential manner here. Okay, we have two types of data structure: linear data structure and non-linear data structure. So array, linked list, stack, queue comes under linear data structure. So in those data structure, we insert data in a sequential manner. Okay, and tree graph is example of non-linear data structure. Okay, in those type of data structure, we insert data in a hierarchical manner, not in a sequential manner. Okay, and everyone knows what is data structure, right? So basically, like the basic definition of data structure, like to we insert our data in such a way so that it will be easy to uh, you know utilize those data effectively or efficiently. Okay, so these are the basic theory stuff before we start writing code. Okay, so like I said, linked list is comes under linear data structure. So the first basic task for today will be insert three node and print them. Okay, so we'll start with this. So let me create one structure type of node. Here we will have data and we will have one pointer. Okay, so we have one structure. Why I have used type df is so that we should not use struct repeatedly. Okay, I will tell you details where this type df will be useful. So now I have created one object structure of type node. Then start with main, right? And what we can do is we will see if you will not use this type df, then every time you have to use this struct node star. If you want to create any new pointer, you will always you be using this struct repeatedly. So just to avoid that, I have used that type def means instead of a struct, I will be using this node. And within the data structure, one time you have to create this. Okay. So I have created head pointer and then I have created first. Okay. Then I will be creating second. Okay. And I will basically assign those all pointer to null initially. Okay. So here also I will assign this first to null and second also I will assign to null. So the first task was to create three nodes. So we have created three pointer as of now. Okay. So we are done with the three pointer. What we will be doing, we will be allocating a space to this three pointer, right? So for head, what we will be do? So you will be starting with this node star, then malloc, then size of, right? So what it will do, it will create space, okay, of structure type of node having data and next pointer, and it will assign that a space to head first. So similarly, I will copy this part, right? And I will be doing the same thing for first and second as well. Okay. So instead of this head, just replace with first and again second, right? Here, what we have completed so far is created pointer and allocated a space to those s- node pointers. Okay. Structure type of node pointers. Okay. So a space is allocated. Now what is the next? Now you can assign or you can hard code this value. First is the basic program. So what I will do, I will I will hard code this value. Later you can give your user input, right? Head of, so these are the node type of structure. I mean, it has data as well as next pointer. So we have to assign those both values. So let's say here I have assigned to 10, right? And the first of data is 20 and second of data is 30. So data I have assigned. Now what I need to do, I have to assign head of next to first, right? And first of next is second, right? And second of next should be null, right? So now this we have, assigned value and pointer for all these three node. Now we need to traverse them. So let's create one function, traverse, and we'll pass this head, okay, to that function. So I have to define this, right? So let me receive head as a, you can use any variable name here. Head is not the only name. You can root, you can take with the any first, whatever. So here we need to check while head is not equals to null, until and unless you will be simply printing this data, right? So this way you can, sorry, yeah. So and then you simply increment head to next, right? So I think this should work. Let's run this code. Okay, so what it is coming here, 10, 20. Okay, So the output you can see 10, 20, 30. And to avoid this here, the warning or whatever, you just simply include malloc. Okay, dot h. Or what you can do here to for better user experience while seeing output, you can simply add like this or tab space. If you will run, then you will be seeing like this 10, 20, 30, right? So I hope it is clear for everyone. See, I will explain what quickly. Okay. So see, you have to create one structure of type node having data and next pointer. Then you have to simply create three pointer. It's like basic program. So then we will simply for going onwards, we will simply increase our label. So here you have to create three pointer and assign null to all of them. Then what you do, you just simply allocate a space for all the pointer and do assign data and then assign their next pointer. Then you just simply pass the first head, means first node, that is head, to your traverse function, right? And you can receive that head pointer with any variable name and just check whether it is null or not. If it is not null, just simply print and you know keep checking until it not reaches to the last node. Okay, so this is the basic code for inserting three node in a linked list and traversing that node. So you can extend this to any number of node. So next time we will be seeing, so in next video we will be seeing some more problem on linked list. Till then, please do share, like, comment or subscribe this channel. Thank you.